Bye. Wishing you a happy new year, bursting with fulfilling and exciting opportunities. And remember, if your opportunity doesn't knock, build the door.
Counting stars and you with the new year coming. May your new year be filled with the happiest dreams and your days with the brightest promise. Wishing you an amazing 365 days ahead.
Wish the new year bring you happiness, peace, and prosperity, and wishing you a joyous 2023.
Cheers to a new year and a new chapter in our lives.
Happy New Year! May your troubles be less, your blessings be more, and nothing but happiness come through your door.
May you and your family have a blessed new year with wonderful health, prosperity, and so many joys.
Wishing you a great year that begins with happiness and ends with that too. Happy New Year!
A new year is like starting a new chapter in your life. It's your strength to write an incredible story for yourself.
On the occasion of the Lunar New Year, I would like to send my warmest greeting to you. I wish you a prosperous New Year filled with health, happiness, love, and laughter.
May money flows in the water.
Happy New Year 2023. May I do success in all that you do.
Wishing may go your way. Out with the owl, in with the new. Wishing a wonderful 2023.
Wishing you a very joyful new year despite any difficult times.
Happy New Year, and may your coming year be full of grand adventures and opportunities.
Sending you the very best of wishes for the new year. May it be full of bright opportunity.
With the new year on the horizon, may you be happy and healthy, and let your dreams take flight in the new year. Happy New Year!
Wishing you a happy new year 2023. May you be blessed with good health, abundance, and prosperity. As you journey through life, may you always remain patient and find the best solutions to reach your goals. Happy New Year!
I just want to say, wishing you a fresh start with renewed energy and confidence throughout the past new year.
Hi there, 2023 is coming. A new year is starting and ready to go. Let's be successful and glorious. Happy New Year!
Hello everyone! So Lunar New Year is almost here. This is the time that you spend with your family, friends, and loved ones. So let's enjoy these brightest times and welcome the new year with novelties better. And I hope that our New Year celebrations are full of love and laughter. And wishing you on a fun-filled and healthy 2023. And Happy New Year!